say is they should thank their lucky stars it wasn't Depardieu. Sorry. That made me giggle every time I read it. He hasn't commented on this incident. Depardieu. I know you got it, but... All right. Sorry. Sorry, this actually never happened to me. Go see this thing on YouTube if you don't think it actually happened to me. Alright. Sorry, he hasn't commented on the incident, but if I know the European celebrity spin